Okay, today is day 12 since having buried these 6 potatoes in a bag of soil. Now that we have what we wanted, as you can see, the ice, this is what we definitely need. I'm going to cut these potatoes, which you can have maybe about, from this potato I can have 2. Now the potatoes are sliced off, chopped off into parts containing these eyes, as you can see. Now from now here, I'm going to leave it out in the window to allow this part of the potato to dry out, because if it is sown in the soil like this, it may start to rot and decompose. Okay, now this is 2 days after the potatoes were chopped off to form a solid crust layer to prevent it from rotting in the soil. These are the potatoes, and this is going to be the bed. This is the raised bed where the potatoes will be grown. Okay. As now the potatoes are shown from here, it's going to be covered with soil.